Hi everyone, this is Bao from Return Machinery. Welcome back to my channel. This is our automatic tube hairpin bending machine in our customer's working room in Germany. Now we are commissioning the machine. On this machine, we equip it with 4 tube sizes: 6.0 mm, 9.52 mm, 12.0 mm, and 15.0 mm. Each tube can be bending 2 tubes in one cycle. The minimum bending length is 200 mm, and the maximum hairpin bending length is 2000 mm. Okay, next let me show you how this machine running.6节离的铜管弯2米长。12.5的。继续弯好了。Okay.